Hi, I'm Ken the RV Guy. I help people all over the country find their ideal motorhome. Today we're looking at a 2024 Coachmen Mirada 32 LS.
We're going to take a couple passes around this coach. One's closed, one open, so you can see it. This is on a Ford F53 chassis, 335 horsepower, 268 pounds of foot torque. You'll see we have a towing hitch back there. It's rated for 8,000 pounds. We have a ladder so you can get up on the roof, do your business, taking care of the things up there. I want you to see how big this slide out is. It's the entire length of the coach. Huge slide, creating a lot of room on the inside. When we open it up, you'll see there's lots of shade, plenty of places to play with your family. You can see there's got a television so you can watch the game. There's where the propane goes. There's some more storage. Next, we're going to see an outside kitchen. Nice beverage fridge with a sink, more pass-through storage. Get a big view there so you can kind of see your family enjoying themselves. Lots of room for your stuff. When you look at all those compartments, you have pass-through storage here, more storage there. Your hookups go right over here, all in one place. Nice generator to power your coach, more storage. Just a beautiful looking coach, plenty of room. We're going to go on the inside now, and I think the colors are really fantastic. I really like the way this coach looks. One of the things you'll notice is solid surface countertops. That's really a nice feature. Decent kitchen. It's a gas electric refrigerator, fireplace, television. There's a bathroom there. I'm going to skip it. We'll come back to it. Go into the bedroom and show you the large bed with lots of storage around it. There's a TV across from it. Nice little nook to put stuff. Lots of room in this coach. You'll see over here we're going to see the theater seating. I'm taking a peek in the bathroom for you. We'll get in there in a little bit when I take a second pass. Nice theater seating, very comfortable right across from the television so you don't have to strain your neck. Got storage above. Beautiful dinette with storage in the seats, just like you'd come to expect. Now we're going to open it up and let you see exactly how much storage space you have. Lots of room there. Big farm sink, all stainless steel. Here you'll see the convection microwave, 3-burner cooktop with oven, double door fridge, TV and fireplace again with some storage above it. I couldn't do this smoothly, so I just cut the tape and started over, but you see we got some good linen storage in there, decent sized shower. There's a sink for us. Commode, some storage above the shower. The commode. And some storage below. It's on my finger there. Nice big bed. We got storage on both sides, up and around it. Both sides over there. Plenty of space. We'll get the other side for you to take a look at. You'll see just exactly how much space. That closet goes all the way through, so it's one closet with two doors on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. There's a washer and dryer hookup in this coach. We didn't install one, so instead we put some racks in there for more storage. We can opt one in for you if you need to. It's not a problem. Look at all that space. That's just amazing. This is still on that one big super slide. Here I put the chairs out so you can see how they recline. And nice cup holders here. You can see where the seats heat and they vibrate. And you got some place for your remotes. Just like at home, you got storage above it. And then look at all the storage there underneath that seat. I'm going to show you that there's some sleeping above the cockpit here for the kiddos. So not only can we turn the dinette into a bed, but we've got the sleeping above. It comes down very easily, guys. It's really no problem at all. It took me 1 minute. to get it down. And then of course we've got the cockpit here. Very easy to drive. Lots of space for the driver. It's a 6-way powered driver's seat. It looks comfortable. It makes me want to sit in it. Let's go somewhere. What do you say? It's better than working. Beautiful coach. I'd love to put you in it. Here's how to get a hold of me. Call me if you need me. Looking forward to working with you. Thanks.
Doobie 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 doom.